call traction.
We have a very exciting announcement. We are dropping some merch. So we're calling this the I'd Wrap That lineup. This is one example of the Chevrolet to go with this, and underneath it here. So this is the X3 I'd Wrap That. We have a Polaris Razor I'd Wrap That. We have a dirt bike, road bike, and we have a sports quad and a snowmobile. So here's an example of the sport quad I'd Wrap That. Worn by Wyatt, the creator of these, the designer. So these are available in t-shirts and sweatshirts. Right here, I have all the colors and the sweatshirt colors and stuff. Eventually, I will be updating the pictures, so just make sure when you double check the writing, it'll say t-shirt or hoodie, because these are the prototypes. I only have one prototype for now, but we'll be making more eventually. Just at this moment, we don't have any. So this is gonna be a pre-order run. So at this point, the pre-order will end probably around March 31st, and then after that we will make them. Wyatt's going to be the one that's making these, so these are vinyl, and it's pressed.
Heat transfer vinyl.
So once the pre-order's done, we'll ship these out to you guys, and we also are going to have these hats available. These are embroidered hats, very nice quality. We will have this,
I call it trucker style.
Trucker style screen mesh hat, and we will also have a flex fit hat available on the website. So you go to brapaholic.com, the links are down below. We'll get some more merch done eventually. But this is our first Ram edition, so bear with us. Too bad. This wet snow is actually kind of tractiony. Yeah, I caught traction. I'm in a predicament here. Going down this way, I guess.
That was a lot of fun. I don't know why I didn't get one of these sooner.
Yeah, it'd be more fun without the snow.
Yeah. I'm getting a little arm pump though. Not
Yeah.
used to quads.
Yeah. My elbow hurt so bad.
Hey, it looked pretty fun though. Like you almost had it if you wouldn't have.
I
don't know what happened at the top. I just seen you like fall off the back.
I was trying to hold the wheelie, and I don't know if I just grabbed more traction than I thought I was gonna get, and I just fell off. And I just see the quad. It literally jumped over the hill.
It looked like, from my view, like you let go and you just sat down.
Oh, I did. I fell off and just sat there and just watched everything happen.
What's the first time I've made the hill? My first try.
Wow.
Yeah. Usually it takes a couple.
Yeah.
I did third gear first, and then I did a couple fourth gear hits.
Oh, heck, third gear is all you need.
You know, but you said fourth gear and then shift to third at the top, right?
Oh, well, that was on the 650 sometimes.
Oh.
But normally I go third gear and then shift it on to second.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
That's what I do.
But there's nowhere to go up there in third gear. Well,
No.
double downshift.
Yeah. This snow was actually kind of tracking me.
Yeah, she did good for her first try, four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't get one of these sooner. I'm having a ball in this thing. Yeah, I'm soaking wet, but
Yep, that happened.
I had some trouble finding third gear leaving the gas station, my clutch lever.
It needs.
It needs a new one. I'm just gonna order a new one.
For me, I'd like it up a little bit.
We'll probably have to take the chain out to get to it. I couldn't get on it very well without chains in the way.
We'll see.
I mean, it could be me. But this is a special one because the case is so big.
Oh, that leg is. Oh, that one is just covered too.
I'm glad I brought my boots.
He'll get over it.
I feel like you're dirtier than me.
I did some whips on the side hills.
Oh.
Them ones still make me nervous whether they'll lip at the top.
Oh, that lip ain't bad at all.
No?
No. Just ride it up. It ain't bad.
You lose momentum to crank her off and lean.
Yeah. I did that on purpose, but.
So that middle one up there,
Yeah.
where it's kind of rutted out and
Yeah.
straight up.
Yeah.
I hit that one, and it bounced me weird at the top. I thought I was gonna roll off the quad.
They probably it's rutted out up there. I think the snow's starting to settle.
Oh, yeah.
But
Probably what it was.
yeah, it's rutted out up there pretty bad.
Well, I just stayed on it.
That's all you can do. I almost didn't make it up that one. I just kept her pinned in third gear.
You know what? It was that one I went up.
Oh, the one I almost.
Yeah, this one right here that's all nasty.
Yeah.
That's the one I almost ate it on at the top.
Yeah. Okay.
That one I bounced over. That one I almost ate it. I almost fell off the quad to the left. The front tire went in a hole and then it kicked back up, and I was going like this. I wasn't ready for it.
I'll do it. My feet are starting to get wet.
I'm way wetter than you. I don't know how.
Yeah, I don't get it.
Like even up to here, like. Maybe it's these short fenders. Maybe that's why they changed the design. We're getting wet from the back, maybe.
Well, mine do protect more in the back.
Maybe that's why the tires run backwards. They were inside the fenders and we hit them on backwards.
It's true. I think I'm ready.
Sounds like I'm dragging something.
Oh, your skid plate. Looks like the front bolt came out or something.
Hit something a little too hard, huh?
Must be. It's plastic.
That'd be funny.
You got any zip ties?
Right in there.
I think she drives it harder than you.
I think so. I don't know why she don't want a sport one. Oh, that's gonna smell like a belt right there.
Oh yeah.
You light up at the top.
I didn't make it up that first run. I was going backwards and I was sliding into that tree. Luckily, I was able to stop and turn around.
This one here.
Yeah.
Glad I wore this coat. I'm sweating, man.
Me too. I got a sweater under mine.
So do I. Under Armour. Oh, sweat. Hey, you got any zip ties in that thing? What? Got any zip ties? I'm dragging my skid plate. I skidded a little too hard. I thought you were gonna put it right there. I was like, watch this shit.
You didn't see my smirk at the end?
I did, but then you just kept going.